What's up guys, welcome to Pre. It's your girl with another video. So I went and toured this apartment complex last Thursday or something. I was trying to get this video out to you guys, but then I realized I needed to record to give you guys some more information. Stick around till the end of the video so that you guys can hear me talk about both units that I toured, how big it is, what it comes with. So let's get into it. So this place is called Trillis in North Dallas, or it says Trillis North Dallas, right? My friend is the one that gave me the tour. She said it used to be a hotel and they turned it into an apartment complex. So that's why the rooms are so small, but nice property overall, I would say. So I'm looking at the form that she gave me. It says, look and lease, you can enjoy 1 month rent free if you choose to move into this complex, right? The complex also comes with a 55-inch television. Everything is included. So if your lease is $13.75, right? Everything is included except valet trash, she said, literally. So, you know, in other places you have to think about, lease might start at $13.75, but then you got to do energy, water, cable. You literally have to think about all of that, which would take you probably up to $1,600-ish. Me, I'm lucky and fortunate because my complex, even though my neighbors are hella loud and I can't stand them, everything's included in my lease except my energy. So, okay. They also gave me this paper. It does a lot of compare and contrast of other companies. So it'll say you have your rent. It'll start at, it says rent starting at $15.95. That's one company. Another company starting at $13.38. Then utilities might be $169. Television / internet is $135. Then by the time you're done paying, you're gonna be at $16.38, just like I said. And I'm not up for that. I like when things are included. That's why I haven't really moved out of my apartment yet, even though I am looking for a townhome. So I've already started my apartment tours. If you guys are interested in that, stick around, because your girl can't deal with these kids on top of her. I do not care. I don't care. I cannot deal with it. Let's just look at the apartment complex. Let me just show you guys what it looks like, what I've seen, and we'll talk about the rest later. So the street's right there. There's a Valero right there. There's the building. Let's look at our surroundings. So this is a gym. This is cool. Okay, so you can get your little trainer right here. It barely has anything in here, but oh, there's another one. Not bad. Ooh, I like the color of the doors too. So this is a studio. Okay. This is cute. This is our studio. I like this. This is different. Mine doesn't look like this. And you guys know I love me a flat top. Yeah. I like this. This is giving bougie.
Yeah, it's just a bougie.
the closet. And it comes with the TV. Okay, I like this.
That's a queen.
Washes and dry in one. Space for your detergent. This is the bathroom. I love the bathroom. This is nice. This one's $13.75 and that's the overall price, right? Everything's included. Parking space, you get one parking space for this one. I love this. I love the rectangular square thing going on right here. The finish right here, it's not a garden style tub, but that's okay. Okay, there we go. Last look. The whole place is beautiful to me. The one bedroom is right across from it, so let's see what we're working with here. Ooh. This is nice. So there we go. It comes with the TV. This is a queen size bed. $18.95, including parking lot. There's the bathroom. The bathroom is your washer and dryer, the same washer and dryer that's gonna take an hour. You got the closet. They've got the same finish on the tops. I love this. And I love the white. Right here, it's just so bright. I love it. I love it. And I like the fact that there's a door for the bathroom. So let me back up. The same finish. It's not garden style tub, but all of it is just so nice. So you still get your privacy if you were to have people come over. So boom. So this one comes with 2 parking spaces and it's $55, something like that. I'll tell you guys later. And I didn't realize it, but it has the 2 doors to close it and separate. And the view is not terrible. You're just looking at the road. White, love that. The same microwave. Flat tops, I love me a flat top. Here, let's look in the, you can put 1 pizza in there. Here's the dishwasher. Same things. This is tiny and cute. I'm not gonna lie. It's tiny and cute. I love this. I wish I had it in my apartment. Here we go, last look. So now we're gonna go to the pool. So they have a couple grills. And this is the area. So you guys are gonna have a key fob. Now that you've watched the video, let's talk about the price, what comes with it, so on and so forth. So you saw Studio One, that includes one free parking spot, and that was a 450 square feet. That flat rent, everything included except valet, take your own trash out, is $13.75 if you're interested. I didn't tour the second studio, Studio B, that is bigger. It's 550 square feet. That is $1,480 a month. That one, it wasn't furnished, she said, so we didn't go in there. Then I toured the 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 550 square feet. That includes 2 parking spaces, and that one was $1,595, which would make me think that the Studio B that I didn't tour, that was empty, at 550 square feet for $1,480 would also come with 2 parking space. I've been to that area on the weekends. That's somewhere I do like. That's around the Addison area, which the youths go. If there's a game, whatever, you go to Stir, you go to Vidora, you go to that. It's just a vibe. That area is a vibe. So you'd be close to there, as well as you wouldn't be too far from going downtown as well. If you're moving to Dallas soon, I don't think this is a terrible idea. But that's, when my friend first moved here, her studio was like $900 something. Then it went up to over 11 or 12. Studios are not going to be $900 again unless you don't have any updated appliances, which if that's cool, then that's cool too. You can find with those and then do a DIY. I don't have a problem with DIY, and now that I think about it, because hey, you can just order everything off Amazon and just make your place a whole new place. When you're leaving, just peel it all off and go about your business. So I like to work smarter, not harder. I don't like to just spend unnecessary money, especially in this economy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Come over to Everything Tisha. Until next time, peace.